Hello there! Welcome to my channel. My name is Pamela, and I am someone who has had their confidence impacted from their skin, for better and for worse. The process of going foundation free can definitely sound like a struggle for those of us who either love a full face of makeup or for those of us who have skin imperfections that we would use foundation to cover up. But there's a lot of reasons to at least consider going foundation free, and one of them, the main reason, is for the overall health of your skin. We know makeup is so much fun, but it's not necessarily the best for our skin. So choosing to skip foundation even every once in a while could be really impactful and beneficial. Applying makeup to skin that doesn't have a balanced routine can often result in looking cakey and not like skin anymore. So really taking those extra steps to ensure that your skin is looking healthy and has a beautiful glowing complexion will go such a long way in the overall appearance of your makeup. When your skin is glowing and healthy, it definitely distracts from any pimples or acne. So I am foundation free, but not concealer free. Skincare first, makeup second. And I love to use brands that really incorporate that philosophy. Kosas wants you to think of their brand as skincare meets makeup. With this concealer in particular, it is an eye cream as well as a spot treatment that's supposed to work to visibly brighten and help reveal better skin over time. This is the concealer that I choose to wear whenever I have a pimple or breakout that I'm trying to cover up. I spot conceal with this by applying concealer to the areas I want the most coverage and then blending out in a circle all around it, trying to avoid that particular area to maintain the most product there. Now I know y'all did not think I was about to do a makeup video and not share products from my favorite brand. What? So this is of course the Glossier Stretch Concealer. I love Glossier's products because they always look like skin. With this concealer, I like to start off with just a little and slowly build it up, and that offers the most skin-like finish of any product I've ever seen. And I feel like y'all can already see it just looks like skin. These products, when you approach them very minimally and you use things that look like skin and you have a foundation that already has a healthy skincare base, man, it's just such a beautiful result. Another absolutely incredible skincare meets makeup brand is M Cosmetics from Michelle Phan. This blush is a serum, y'all, and it gives the most beautiful glow. Like, you know, when you freshly apply your skincare and you have that gorgeous glow from all the serums and just healthy goodness that you've put on your skin, that is what this blush does. It gives such a beautiful radiance. It is gorgeous, and it's so easy to build up if you want, or to keep it really simple and natural like I did today. I also think that it is so important if you are going to take that leap to go foundation free, if you're used to kind of relying on that product, to also fill your makeup routine with products that make you feel the most confident. Whatever eyeshadow it is, whatever color it is, wear your power color. I say this as someone who, like I mentioned before, has struggled with their skin and kind of showed you guys that in the beginning. I know that stepping out sometimes when you know that all those imperfections are showing through, or just not wearing any makeup at all, can make you feel a little self-conscious sometimes. So on those days I might say, okay, well, I'm gonna do my hair really nice, or I'm gonna wear an outfit that's poppin', that makes me feel special. So it really does detract, it takes away from some of those insecurities when you fill yourself up with areas of love and happiness in other parts of your life, And for me, honestly, I could be going through a breakout, just kind of feeling a little crappy that day, but if I got on my lash extensions, if my lashes are popping, y'all can't tell me nothing. That's all I'm saying. Alright, and I know y'all are seeing a lot of Glossier products. You might be thinking, dang, does she not use any other products? Listen, here's the thing. Once you find a makeup brand that you love, I really do suggest sticking with it. You don't have to feel the need to purchase every new product that you may see on YouTube or Instagram. And I know personally, I found myself going out and buying every new product at someone's recommendation when I knew at home I had my favorite products that I was going to pull out regardless. So we can definitely have fun and try new makeup and try to be different, but I want to remind y'all, never feel the pressure to feel like you have to buy something or feel like you might be missing out if you skip a brand or a product launch, you know. Ask yourself, do you really need a 7th foundation? I'm not judging, it's all love, but really take the time to answer that question. And boom, that's the look. And now my favorite part of this whole routine is that it actually looks beautiful in person. It's not something that just looks good on camera. If you are going to take anything away from this video, please remember that good skincare is the foundation for good makeup application. That is the only way that you are going to avoid cake face, flaking, looking crusty and dusty. You're always going to look cute when you take care of your skin. You could have eczema, hyperpigmentation, fine lines, wrinkles, all that jazz, but if you take care of your skin and you got that beautiful glowing complexion, can't nobody tell you nothing, period. And as a little bonus to the video, I want to show y'all how I reapply my sunscreen over makeup. All I use is a cushion compact. You can either fill the sunscreen inside of the cushion, or you can just use the small disc on top and use that cushion and just pounce right away, y'all. It blends in seamlessly. It's so easy, and honestly, it gives you a beautiful glow. If you couldn't tell, I'm very much into glowing skin. That's because it's been dry all my life. I have not had the privilege of producing oils, but nonetheless, this is the easiest, it's the quickest way to reapply your sunscreen, and it's very accurate. You'll know exactly where you're putting it. Super easy. All you really need is a sponge. So thank you so much for watching. I really hope that y'all enjoyed this video, and I don't know, maybe you just felt like a friend talking to you today. So I really hope that y'all have a great rest of your week, rest of your day. Just do something special for yourself. And thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.